Dear children, good morning. A, E, I, O, U. These five letters are we called vowels. Come on, everyone. Let's give the vowel family a big hand. I am a, I am a, I can say a. I am a, I am a, I am in cat mad hat. I am ye, I am ye, I can say e. I am ye, I am ye, I am in met wet pet. I am I am I can say I. I am I am I am in big wig. I am wo, I can say oh. I am wo, I am in pop hop top. I am you, I can say you. I am you, I am you, I am in buns and fun.